Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of aloe vera. Get ready to make your own soothing natural aloe vera gel right at home. Let's get started. Aloe vera is more than just a plant. It's nature's miracle worker. Known for its healing and soothing properties, aloe vera is a must-have for any home. First things first, we need a fresh aloe vera leaf. If you have a plant at home, great. Otherwise, you can find aloe vera leaves at your local grocery store or garden center. Be sure to select a thick, mature leaf from the outer parts of the plant. Once you have your leaf, it's time to prepare the gel. Start by cutting off the spiky edges with a sharp knife. Next, slice the leaf in half lengthwise to expose the gel inside. Use a spoon to scoop out the clear gel into a blender. Make sure to avoid the yellow latex part, known as aloe, which can be irritating to the skin. Blend the gel until smooth. This should only take a few seconds. To get a silky texture, strain the blended gel through a fine mesh strainer into a clean bowl. Transfer your aloe vera gel into a clean, airtight container. Store it in the fridge and it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. You can also add a few drops of vitamin E oil or your favorite essential oil for extra benefits and a pleasant scent. Now that you have your homemade aloe vera gel, here are some amazing ways to use it. From soothing sunburns and moisturizing skin to conditioning hair and even healing minor cuts, the uses of aloe vera gel are endless. And that's how you make your own natural aloe vera gel at home. Simple, isn't it? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.